So this is the gatekeeper to a hill called Sunday Drive at Frontenac Farms. Probably the second hardest hill here. And this is Kyle coming up. The gatekeeper to Sunday Drive. Oh, you went and did it.
Is the rear or the front?
Rear.
Is it clearable?
I think, try it right there. I think you'll have it. Straighten up the rear. And next, we got Travis is next. All right, so this is Travis coming up. Oh, and look at this. Here's Josh from Rip It Home right there.
Oh, you guys are up there now.
Yeah, Tyler's driving it up.
Where's
Tyler's driving it right now.
Why?
Come on, let's see it, big boy.
We just went up it.
Oh, all right. And then you got Tony.
Was there a big fort down here somewhere?
All right. Well, there's the Rip It Home crew right there. We wheel with them guys fairly often. Oh, they got another one. All right. So here's Tyler. No, not Tyler. Travis. It's Travis. You got a pretty neat buggy. We'll have to check this rig out and see what all it's got on it. So I'm not certain. I think that almost looks like maybe an Atlas transfer case underneath. I don't know. We'll have to check it out for sure. There's some pretty neat stuff in that thing. And there's Brianna up there videotaping as always. She does most of the footage. He changed it. That rock's down there now. That's a big change. Yeah. I mean, it totally changed his trail. Guy really should try getting that stupid tree out of there before it goes in somebody's radiator. But it'll break soon enough, I guess. You had it. You should needed to straighten up the rear end earlier.
maybe bump it.
Depends if the front diff hits that rock or not, to be honest. Give it a light bump first.
Straight to the diff.
Come this way, just now. Okay, now do it again. Okay, now try it that way. Try it. Try it right there. Try it. Hell yeah. Other than you stopped. You had it too. Wow, was that close?
Driver?
Yeah, with the front only, yep. Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking about right there. You guys got to see what this dude got in that thing. It works pretty damn good. And he's a good driver too. So we are on Sunday's drive, and this is about a quarter of the way up the first real obstacle on this trail. Well, she is twisted there. There it is. There it is. Ah, bummer. That's it, though. Yeah, just keep. It will slide around. Should slide around. Maybe back up once. I don't know. You got it. It's yours. You got it, man. You got it. Ah. Driver, turn driver at the front. You just back up, give it a small bump, man. Yeah, right there. Give her a bump. Smelling what you're smoking.
Driver rear, there you go. Like that.
So this is the second major obstacle on Sunday Drive. Actually third, I guess.
Keep going like that, Pat.
You're going to start climbing here though in the back.
You're good.
All right.
Straighten your rear
Back
now.
tires are coming around.
Yep. Come forward a little bit.
I would have to say pot committed if you're going to do it.
Driver front.
Driver.
Straighten the rear whenever you can.
Yeah, passenger.
I don't know which way I'm currently.
That way, yeah, there you go. Better, much better. Keep going farther that way if you can.
You're undercutting that front tire.
Try turning straight in the front.
Driver. Or yeah, passenger.
I got 3 pounds of oil pressure. How's that?
Turn passenger.
Hey, he'll have it. He'll back up.
Take passenger hard. Back up. Yeah, your tire's not coming up on the rock like you wanted it.
Turn drivers and try.
Hold on, boys.
Keep your hands inside.
Oh, he almost fucking had it.
No.
You were really close. At least all 4 are on the ground now. Last time it was only 3.
I got so much road rash on the side of my cage from that rock, it's not even funny. The last time we were here, we were against that thing forever. There we go, transferring weight in. All right, so this is the third hard obstacle on Sunday Drive. We have Josh, no, not Josh, Travis driving.
I think he closed it. Okay, go pull cable.
Yep.